Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? It is a vlog day. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Justina Uju or Uju Justina. Welcome. And yeah, let's get into this video. So today's video is eat out kind of video. I am going with my special man, my second daddy in Ireland, my Irish daddy, a man that is so dear to me and so close to my heart. We are going to have brunch. We planned for breakfast actually, but we ended up doing one or two things, and yeah, the breakfast time was over because if it's past, I think 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, they will not serve breakfast anymore. But we are planning to have a breakfast out. But yeah, it is the breakfast time is over, so we decided to do brunch. Like, it's not lunch, it's not breakfast, it's in between. So I don't know what they will have for brunch, but I'm hoping it will still have something to do with bacon and sausages. I'm in the mood for breakfast. It's not every day I do bacon and sausage, but today I'm in the mood. So we decided to end up in Crumlin Village, and there is a local cafe. We have been here before, but we like it because it's cozy, it's welcoming, it's inviting. It just is everything about cozy. I love the way that it's small, it's not too much, and when you go inside, it is very, it's very welcoming and very friendly kind of, and their customer service is up at the top. So we are here at the Crumlin Village to have some breakfast or brunch.
Really funny, like she went from the reason she went to the herbalist in the first place was her mate. She was feeling a bit ill. She came from nowhere. And now like she's like sick and ill and everything. Like cancer went from 0 to 100 very quickly. Like, but she wasn't sick at all until then. Yeah, I mean neither. Yeah, like my granddad was
I think the tea is included. It says all day menu. All breakfasts are served with an option of 1 glass of orange juice, tea or coffee.
Oh, that's good.
So that means we're done.
So there's tea included.
Yeah, or you can have orange juice.
Scone. Scone, €3.50.
We'll have one scone between us. How about that?
Hopefully it's a big one for that price.
Yeah. That'd be so good.
All right.
Where's the scone?
Here, down here, scones. Here,
Yeah.
€3.50
Okay.
for the scones.
Yeah, we'll get a scone.
So
Just get one.
you
and
know what
split
you
it.
want. You just want the French toast, is
Yeah,
it?
French toast, and I'll get a scone
I
with
don't
it.
really know what I want, to be honest. All day special, bacon, eggs, sausages. Oh, there's an all day special if you still want sausages and bacon.
Let's see, where is it?
All day special. Somewhere. Where is it? Here on the third row.
Okay.
All day special.
It says chips, beans.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's not bad.
I think I'll go for that. Bacon, egg, sausage, and chips.
Yeah.
Yeah, and beans. It will be better. It will be better than the French toast.
Yeah, I'll go for that.
It will be like a full-on lunch, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go for that.
Yeah, me too. I'll go for that.
And the scone.
And the scone. No
Yeah,
problem.
your chances of getting away from that scone are
No,
zero.
I want a proper meal. I don't want the French. The
Yeah,
French toast
yeah.
does not sound like a proper
Well,
meal.
it's bacon, egg, and bread, you know, bacon, egg.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Does not sound like a proper meal. So yeah, The waiter.
Yeah, well, he doesn't wait. He's sort of directing. There's other people coming along and
They're lost. You're again.
you put them in front of you like that, and then it's saying you made your mind up. We're ready.
I know. We have made our mind up.
You can look at different music over there on the mainly Temptations, but I've been looking at the stuff on Google. You know, just the history, the story on the few songs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi. I'm good. So we won the all day special for both of us.
We're near the back.
And one
And
stone.
one scone.
Can you bring this cone early while we're waiting? That'd be great. Thanks a minute.
Do you want white
okay.
toast? Do you want white toast?
Oh, brown toast, please.
I'll take white toast, please.
And what drinks do you want?
A cup of tea, isn't it?
Tea.
Tea.
Thanks a
Yeah.
minute.
And do you want butter and jam with your stone?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Have you got marmalade? I'll take the marmalade, please.
Yeah, and butter.
And butter. And do you want your stone toasted?
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Thanks a minute.
Thanks.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Well, this is nice. I didn't want to put you in a dark corner. I want somewhere bright and cool.
It's a nice corner. So the scone came. I was actually complaining about the scone because I felt like it was a bit expensive for €3 something, €3.50 for the scone, but it looks a bit big. And yeah, and it was like a brownie scone instead of white scone, but it was absolutely tasty. I won't lie, it was home baked, it was fresh, it was delicious. Like, I love this scone. The €3.50 was worth it, I must say. And I put in butter.
Just trying it without sugar.
Well, it looks like.
Those scones up in the mountain were lovely.
Oh my God, don't remind me. It was the best scone.
Selbridge, the one in Selbridge used to be like that. You know?
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, the one up in the mountain, they have the best scone. It's fresh, it's big as well, and it's very nice overall.
Yeah. I think if I went up the mountain now, I'd feel under pressure though. You know, it's half 12 now. Do you get me?
It's not bad, it's actually very nice.
Yeah, no, it's good. I do the 7. The ones in the mountains I do the 10.
Oh yeah.
When they're good.
That one is 10 over 10. The one up in the mountain is 10 over 10.
Like that one, you'd nearly go there just for the scone.
So we continued with our chatting and and talking and having a wonderful time. I must say I am really, really lucky to have someone like him as a father figure in my life, being that I am such far away from my own dad, and growing up I'm that kind of a girl that was too close to dad because I'm the only daughter of my dad. And when I came to Ireland, it was something that I struggled with because I need a dad. I'm sorry to say, but I need a dad because my dad has always made me feel special, always made me feel, like a princess as the only girl. I always get away with what I want with my dad, not my mom. My mom would like, no, you can't get away with that. But with my dad, I always get away with stuff. And coming to Ireland, it was one of the things that I miss at early stage of when I came to Ireland. Not having a daddy to cry over or daddy to ask me, "Are you okay? What is wrong with me?" But meeting Anthony was a huge blessing. Like, this man has done so much for me, and I am not even his biological daughter. Like, he has done so much for me. He welcomed me and my kids with open hands, and he will jump the hook if I ring him on the phone and say, "Oh my God, this is happening, blah blah blah." He will do whatever he can to make sure that he help me out and help me and my family out. He is there for my kids as granddad. He goes to their school whenever there's a granddad stuff going on, and my kids have always seen him as a granddad. This is how close we are and how family we are, and all his extended family has accepted me and my kids to be part of their family, and they buy the kids present, ask them what they like, what they want. On their birthday, they get gifts from aunties and uncles from Anthony's side of family, and this is a huge blessing for me, because coming from somebody that have family, a big family back home, this is one thing that I will always miss, not having a big family here. But having him and his family is more than enough, and I can tell you how lucky I am to meet him, and how lucky I am for him to see me as, but over the years we have nurtured and grown our familyness and our friendship, and we have done stuff for one another. I cook, for him, help him do shopping, help him do loads of stuff, and the same thing in return. He helps me loads of times with stuff if I'm stuck with kids and all that. Like, we, even when we're outside now, people don't know what to think of us, because they look at us and they're like, what are they? Are they husband and wife? Are they daughter and father? Like, they don't know what to think of us. And people always look at us when we're out and about minding our business, and we notice that people are looking at us, and we're like, we'll talk about it and then we'll start laughing. I'll be like, hey, hold on, look at these people and see how they are looking at us. And some people will look at us in such a disgusting way, like, what is that young girl doing with that old man? Is she with him for papers? That kind of a way. Is he the green card passport husband? Whatever it's called. But that's how people will look at us, and we know what we are. So we kind of laugh in our mind, and when you meet us shopping together, you will laugh your head off, because he likes to buy stuff, and I'm like, why are you buying that? Do you need it? I'm that kind of person that want to just don't let him spend too much money if he doesn't have to spend too much money. Don't buy anything now.
I've got a fiver to spare. Fiver's not bad.
Whatever you say. So cheese.
What?
Cheese. It's not a picture, it's a video.
No, it's a video.
So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. We have come to the end of this mini vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Me and him definitely enjoyed it. We enjoyed the food. It was so lovely. It wasn't big food. The portion was not huge. I was surprised it wasn't huge for the price, because I felt like I didn't know it was one sausage, one bacon. I was hoping for 2 sausages and 2 bacon and whatever, but it was enough. It was enough, but it wasn't too much. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Bye.